How can you break down a big vision into manageable steps? Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hang around to the end as I have something great for you for free, which goes with this video. If you are a busy woman, juggling a career, deadlines, meeting, family and somewhere in between, trying to take care of yourself, then this demonstration is just for you. Today, we are diving into something that every ambitious woman needs. How to take a big, beautiful vision for your life and break it down into small, manageable steps. So you can actually do even with your full calendar, even with your full life. So whether you have been dreaming of a healthier lifestyle, more peace of mind, a stronger self-image, or finally starting that passion project, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. We dream big. We see what is possible. We want to feel strong, balanced, confident, clear. But sometimes the dream feels huge, almost like another to-do on an already overflowing list. Let me remind you of something important. It is not that you are not capable. You're just overwhelmed by the how, and that is okay. It doesn't mean you are behind. It doesn't mean that you are doing it wrong. It means it's time to start smaller, with intention, with clarity. Before we get into the how, let's talk about why this matters. Ask yourself, what do I want to feel more of in my life? Who do I want to become? What will this vision allow me to do or to be? Maybe you want to feel energized in the morning. Maybe you want to look into the mirror and like what you see. Maybe you want to stop just functioning and start feeling fulfilled. Whatever it is, write it down. Keep your why somewhere visible. It is your anchor when things get busy. Now, let's bring your vision into focus. A fuzzy goal leads to fuzzy actions. So instead of saying, I want to be healthier, try something like, I want to wake up at 6 a.m. with energy and meditate for 10 minutes. I want to feel confident wearing a fitted dress to my birthday dinner. I want to feel peace when I walk into the office on Mondays. Be specific. What does your dream look like? What does it feel like? Write it down. Picture clearly in your mind. Now, your vision is clear. Let's reverse engineer it. Think of your dream like a staircase. You don't leap to the top. You take one step at a time. Let's say your goal is peace of mind. The phases might look like this. Phase 1. Start morning with 10 minutes of quiet time. Phase 2. Set boundaries with work emails after 6 p.m. Phase 3. Create a Sunday reset ritual. Phase 4. Book a solo wellness weekend. Or maybe your goal is to improve your self-image. Phase 1. Unfollow triggering social media accounts. Phase 2. Start a gratitude journal for your body. Phase 3. Buy one outfit that makes you feel amazing. Phase 4. Book a few coaching or therapy sessions. Each phase is a small win, a step forward, a signal to yourself, I'm doing it. Now take one phase and break it down into tiny actions, because we are not adding more chaos to your day. We are adding clarity. Let's take morning quiet time as an example. Buy a journal this weekend. Set your alarm 15 minutes earlier. Choose a calming playlist. Try one meditation app for 5 days. That's it. 5 to 10 minutes, that's all. But those few minutes, they can shift your entire energy. And remember, what gets scheduled gets done. Put it in your calendar. Set reminders. Don't leave it to willpower. Here is where we trip ourselves up. We think we have to do it all perfectly. But friend, this is not about perfection. It is about presence. At the end of each work, ask yourself, what worked this week? What felt good? What felt forced or draining? What do I want to adjust? Give yourself credit. You are building a new way of being. Not just ticking off tasks. And remember, progress isn't always visible. Any work is still work. Finally, give yourself grace. This journey isn't about being more productive. It is about coming home to yourself. If something doesn't feel right, adjust. If you need a rest, take it. Your vision isn't leaving you. It is waiting for you with open arms, one step at a time. So now, I want to ask you, what is your big vision right now? And what is one step you can take this week? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what you're working on. And if this episode spoke to your soul, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is ready to stop surviving and start thriving. You are so worthy of your vision, and you are doing beautifully. One clear, courageous step at a time. If this resonates with you and you're ready to bring your vision to life, let's talk. I offer a free 20-minute vision mapping call to help you to get clear on your next steps. The link is in the description. Your unparalleled lifestyle starts now. Plus, I have attached free vision clarity worksheet as well. Thank you for tuning in today to Unparalleled Lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, whatever you are. Many blessings.